Hello everyone and welcome to OSD Tech Tutorials. Today we'll be showing you how to use the new Google file stream, which is replacing the old Google Drive. Let's get started. We've pre-installed Google File Stream onto your computer, so all you have to do is launch the app and sign into your account. You can find the app by going to your search bar down in the bottom left of your screen and typing in File Stream. This is going to bring up the app and you're going to want to click on the one with the blue icon. Once you start the app, a sign-in window is going to pop up and ask you to sign in. Log in with your district-issued email and password. Once you log in with your district email and password, Drive's going to ask you for access to your files. Click Allow, and you're done. Drive will then open up a new window and give you a couple little notifications here about the new app. Once you click through all four of them, it's going to ask you to open Explorer. You're going to click on that button, and then Drive will auto-launch File Explorer and bring up the new location of your Google Drive. And this is where you're going to have access to My Drive and Team Drives, where all your files are stored. So that's pretty simple. All you have to do is come down to the bottom left, find the File Stream app, sign in, and then you have access to everything in your drive. This concludes our Google Drive tutorial. Have a great day.